a few property videos that I need to edit. No problem, that will be $200 for each property video. Shh. Mr. Fiverr, I have a few property videos for you to edit. How much do you charge for each video? Seems easy. I will charge you $20 for each property video. Here you go, it's done. Wow, that's fast and very nice. I know I can count on you. Mr. Client, your property video is completed. Do let me know if you have any revision. That is the whole job servicing process. Let me know if you have any questions and follow me for more. There are 4 platforms that you can use to job service. Number 1 is the community online marketplaces. Like for example, Singapore will be Carousel. Number 2 will be Contra.com. Number 3, Etsy.com. And number 4 are all the social media platforms. 3 new job servicing niche I bet you didn't know existed.
Working for me, so eat that, peep that. I'm the one to beat, yeah. I'm the one to beat, yeah.
Do you need a website for job servicing? The answer is yes, you need a website, and stick to the end if you want to know a free website that you can use for job servicing. When you first start job servicing, you want to test out the services. So you just need to promote your services on online platforms and online marketplaces. So basically, you do not need to set up a website first. However, along the way, when you have some clients, then it is good to put some portfolio on a website. And here I have a free website for you. Go to Contra.com to create a free profile. This one acts as your website because it can feature your projects as well as your services. These are the services that I'm promoting, and you can put the prices there. This platform is absolutely free for you to use. Yes, getting people to buy or make payment is not that easy. That is why we need to understand the psychology of selling. After selling for about 10 years now, I've learned one secret. In order to be successful in online selling, we need to understand our audience needs as well as the pain. One good example is the social media templates. Why I say it is so sellable? It is because many people find it so troublesome and so painful to create content on a regular basis. I understand the pain because I am a content creator and I have been creating content for the past 5 years, and it is really painful. And that is why I understand what my audience wants, and that's why I can sell them easily. If you do not have any marketing background, can I still do job servicing? Job servicing business is ideal for beginners and no technical knowledge is required. However, if you are really serious in this business and want to make this as a full-time income, then a basic marketing knowledge will be good, and also most importantly is you are willing to learn. Many of my students are actually stay-at-home moms. They do not have any marketing knowledge. Just like myself, I do not have any marketing knowledge as well. The only marketing knowledge that we stay-at-home moms have probably is buying groceries kind of marketing. However, if you are still worried, I've got you covered. You can learn from my 2-hour job servicing training. Just go to www.mayeng.co and register for the 2-hour training. Most of my students are making this as a full-time income and they do not have a marketing background, so you no need to worry. Job servicing idea that can potentially make $700 per day. The service that I'm referring to is 2D animated videos. Ideal for beginners and very high in demand. 2D animated videos are mostly used by brands for marketing purpose. Freelancers usually charge between $100 to $150. Video agencies outside usually charge about $800 for a 30 seconds video. My freelancer charged me $120, so based on $800, I make $680. This service is really very sellable. One of my students sold 2 in a day, and she made $536 in just 1 day. 3 ways to get job servicing client without any advertisement. Number 1 is cold outreach to your target audience. You can DM or PM them on the social media platforms. Second way is to sell your services on high traffic marketplaces like Carousel. The third way is grow followers and create a brand for your job servicing business on social media platforms. Use all these 3 ways concurrently and you should be getting your very first client fast. Follow me for more online business tips.